In this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps to lock screen on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you're running on the latest iOS 18 and you want to add your favorite application to your iPhone lock screen running on iOS 18, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here is want to make sure you're on the lock screen just like this. So you don't necessarily need to press the side button, just press from the speaker down like this. This will take you to your iPhone lock screen. Now press and hold the lock screen, and then click on customize. Tap lock screen. Since you want to add apps to lock screen on the iOS 18 device, click on that. To add application, all you just need to do is click on add widget. Then scroll down and locate the application you want to add to your lock screen on your iPhone. So here, let's say I want to add the Instagram application. Go ahead and click on Instagram. Then select what you want to use. Is that is story camera. You can tap and drag to add widget. So like this. Again, come back again, add another app to your lock screen. Let's say I want to add a Snapchat. Then click on this. Then repeatedly, you can go ahead and add TikTok as well. Then again, let's go ahead the Facebook application to the lock screen on your iOS 18. Then select that, and then there you go. Then once you are done, click on the done button at the top right to save this. And then click on the lock screen. So that's how it's going to be. So if you now come back to the lock screen, you should have access to your Instagram. If I click on this, that's going to open the Instagram camera straight away. Then again, if you lock the iPhone screen just like this, swipe down to lock the iPhone screen. Then click on maybe this, that is the Snapchat. This is going to open the Snapchat camera straight away. So this is how you can easily add apps to iPhone lock screen on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.